On low-power DEBIX devices, enabling Node.js module compilation catching can improve repeated CLI execution performance. 1. Run OpenClaw Doctor to perform health checks and quick fixes for the gateway and channels. 2. Follow the prompts to configure and add the following content to the bashrc environment variables file. Then run source bashrc to apply the configuration, and restart the OpenClaw gateway. The first run warms up the cache. Subsequent runs benefit the most.